Well, it's certainly been a little bit of a misty and foggy few days for many parts of the UK, and that has lent a suitably spooky feel to Stockwell Park near Wetherby this evening. They are revving up for Halloween already. Very gloomy conditions here in Yorkshire this afternoon, and we've been chasing sunshine amounts across the UK today. Bits and pieces of drizzle at times. It has been quite quiet and settled. And of course, since Storm Amy, our weather has been significantly quieter in general across the UK, and this has really allowed some beautiful turning of leaves, as you can see from these pictures here, across the falling from the trees as we head into the weekend. We know it's been settled. High pressure has really dominated and it's across the UK still, but by the time we get to Saturday night and Sunday, it's beginning to be eroded really from low pressure beginning to move in from the west, bringing in more sunshine to look forward to, and it's not looking particularly chilly. Here's the forecast. Now, all around us, we can just hear conkers falling from the trees here at Stockwell Park. It's a beautiful still evening. Winds will be picking up over the next few days or so, and we can all expect a drop of rain as we head through into Sunday.
All right, Joan, it's actually looking pretty spooky there in Wetherby. Thank you.
The settled theme will be continuing over the next couple of days or so, and some brightness here and there across the UK. After Saturday night and into Sunday and into next week, looking more unsettled and showery with some blustery winds at times. Now, if we take a look at the pressure details for tonight and tomorrow, we can see that high pressure still across the UK. Very gradually from the west over the next couple of days or so, we'll begin to see that low pressure moving in. There's been lots of cloud and gloominess, of course, associated with the high pressure this week. We'll be chasing that sunshine at times over the next couple of days. In the meantime, this evening and overnight, generally dry conditions for many areas. One or two breaks in the cloud, perhaps the Northern Isles of Scotland, parts of the southwest and the south could see some breaks in the cloud, which will then see an infill of fog as we go through tonight and the first part of tomorrow. Most of us will be avoiding a frost, certainly 8 or 9 Celsius, the overnight low, and winds falling very light as we approach dawn. On to tomorrow, a bit of a gloomy start in places, low cloud, mistiness and fog lifting. A pretty cloudy day in essence for many parts of the UK, but that said, there will be one or two breaks, a bit of brightness here and there, and more cloud for North Sea coast in general, extending from Scotland down into Norfolk, bits and pieces of drizzle perhaps there through the day. But for most of us, a dry day to come. Then those temperatures will be similar to today, around 15 or 16 degrees, winds falling very light. And for much of Saturday, it will be dry, but from the west later on, we'll begin to see some rain moving in for Saturday night.